The yogi activates his astral state while he is channeling. Simple it is. Physically, you have to be relaxed. That's a very basic thing. For any meditation, for any kind of an exercise, of course, your body have to be relaxed, calm, and in a very comfortable state. That's a basic thing, that we all know it. But once you sit, then you are waking up on the other side. You're not only on the physical side, slowly from the physical side, you're shifting to the other side. That's the energy side only. On that side you work. From there you connect. That's simple it is. And from there you go beyond. From there you go beyond only. You go further on only. There are stages that you go further on, further on, further on. Depends upon your development. Depends upon how good you are unlocking all those inner abilities, inner strengths and powers that what all you have. There are hidden energies, hidden powers in you. Okay? There are tools in you, within you. We all have that. That's why I'm telling every day when you meditate sincerely with a full of devotion, you will get more deeper. Getting more deeper means you are getting further on. When you are going further on, then you realize what all exists there. What all is there and how you can use that. How you can have the control over those things. By taking, you move on. That's a journey. That's an inner journey. That's an inner journey. Enjoy that. That's what I'm telling. One should not have greed. Okay? Some people want to have everything in 6 months. Yes? Everything in 1 year. I want to be in this life only. No. Don't put any pressure. No pressure. Enjoy that moment. Enjoy every day, every meditation. Yogi's mindset have to be like that. That can come anything, but enjoy that day, that meditation with that mindset. No expectation. That's very important. In one way, the channelings works with me, and with your body, with your energy, that can work in one other way. Okay? That's why I'm telling simply, the center is your heart chakra. You concentrate there. But how it happens, in which way it happens, by what it happens, one can't say that. One can't say that. You just be ready, then things will happen. You will only know it. You will only come to know it. That's why, Yogi, your experience is your truth. Isn't it? Your experience is your truth. That's why don't believe in your mind. Don't use your mind in meditations. Keep that away. Don't question, don't judge. Stay calm and relax. Experience matters here. Devotion matters here. Discipline matters here. You have to enhance that.